It's rare that you see something that's this clear from a lightning strike, but here's the William & Mary College of Education light in the parking lot, right? Last night, lightning hits light, burns grass at bottom of light. Path of lightning goes to whatever that is, but now follows along a winding path, strikes this tree, burns the grass around it, continues along, strikes second light pole, burns the grass around it, does a little loop-de-loop there, keeps going here, hits third tree, burns the grass around it, keeps going over here, spinning and twirling on the way, has a little dance around the metal grate of the storm sewer, burns all this grass all the way down the street. Pretty amazing. One little lightning strike.